How to set up WhatsApp auto call recording. Safe 2025 guide. Before we start, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more WhatsApp tips. If you want to automatically record WhatsApp calls, here's what you need to know safely in 2025. First, understand this clearly. WhatsApp itself does not offer built-in call recording. Any recording must be done using third-party apps or phone features, and you must follow local laws. Recording calls without consent is illegal in many countries. Now, the safe steps. 1. Check your phone's built-in recorder. Some Android phones have auto call recording features that can also record VoIP calls, including WhatsApp. Go to Phone Settings, Call Recording, and see if WhatsApp is supported. 2. Use a trusted third-party recorder app. Apps like Cube ACR, available on Google Play Store, can record WhatsApp calls automatically. Install the app, give it microphone, phone, and accessibility permissions, and enable VoIP call recording. 3. Set auto recording. Open Cube ACR, Settings, Auto Call Recording, and enable WhatsApp recording. From now on, all incoming and outgoing WhatsApp calls will be recorded automatically. 4. Access recordings safely. Recordings are usually saved inside the app. You can play, rename, or export them as needed. Always store sensitive recordings securely. Pro tip: always inform the other person before recording calls. Respecting privacy avoids legal issues and ensures ethical use. That's it. Now you know how to set up WhatsApp auto call recording safely in 2025. If this helped, like, subscribe, and comment "recorded" below.